Hi there, my name is Sue Lopes and I'm at my last semester at Bay Path University. For my final project, the topic I choose is antibiotic resistance. There are two reasons why I choose antibiotic resistance as my topic. The first reason is somewhat kind of funny, which is my mother is my first reason. She's the one who's always prone to sinus infections. She runs to her physician constantly and tells them what to write for her, which is a Z-Pak. It's a form of antibiotic where your loading dose is 500 milligrams of azithromycin followed by 250 milligrams for 5 more days. I always thought, this is just crazy, who does this? But many people do. And now she's stuck with a cold, and she's all flustered that they gave her penicillin instead of a Z-Pak and it's not working. I tried to explain to her what antibiotic resistance was, and just to let it heal on her own, but of course she can be stubborn. My second reason is I work in a hospital, and I frequently used to compound vancomycin. Vancomycin is the last hope antibiotic. The audience I am trying to reach is everyone, from patients to physicians. I feel that many people are running to their prescribers and asking to be prescribed an antibiotic just to start feeling better a lot faster. Physicians usually just want to make their patients happy, and they'll give them whatever they request. Tools that I used for my infograph was a lot of research on the internet. Google was mostly my best friend, looking up all the information I needed, so I mostly used Google Scholar to use reputable resources. The elements I chose in my infograph were simple elements. I wanted not to take too much away from the presentation, but still keep it looking professional. Sometimes I feel that too much can take away from the presentation and lose interest of individuals. So now I'm going to go into more detail about what antibiotic resistance is. Antibiotic resistance is when germs like bacteria and fungi develop the ability to defeat the drugs designed to kill them, which are typically antibiotics. Without having something to kill the bacteria, the body is left on its own to kill it. It can prolong the amount of time or could lead to hospitalization if not treated fast or appropriately. Antibiotics resistance targets anyone. It doesn't matter on your age. It could be a young child or adult. Just in the United States, there are 2.8 million antibiotic resistance infections that occur yearly, as well as 3,500 deaths per year. There are a few ways antibiotics target bacteria, such as the cell wall and the machinery that produces proteins. The main causes of antibiotic resistance are over-prescribing of antibiotics, not finishing the entire antibiotic course, sharing antibiotics with friends and family, and poor infection control within a healthcare setting.